Welcome to the MCP Point user guide. In this step-by-step walkthrough, we'll show you how to register as an MCP Point, your secure gateway to empowering digital payments for your customers and increasing your income by multiple folds. This guide will walk you through each step of the registration process with clear explanations and on-screen references, ensuring your registration as an MCP Point is hassle-free and secure. Step 1. Receive and open the registration link. You will receive a special registration link from MissCallPay's official sales representative or an existing MCP Point user on WhatsApp. Click on the link. This will open the official MCP Point landing page, your secure starting point. Step 2. Review and choose your plan. On this page, you will see 3 plans: Silver, Gold, and Diamond. Each plan is available with a special 50% discount as an introductory offer. Take your time to review the features and benefits listed for each plan, such as CPCs bundled with each plan, MissCallPay individual kits, MissCallPay business kits, etc. Select the plan that best suits your business needs and goals by clicking the Select button under your choice. Step 3. Fill out the registration form. Next, complete the registration form carefully. Enter your full name exactly as mentioned in your official ID. Provide your mobile number that you would like to register for MCP Point. Please make sure that the number is linked to your bank account or is active on UPI. If you are already registered as a MissCallPay business user, you can fill in the checkbox. I am a merchant. You'll now have to enter your TID and DID, which you can find in the MissCallPay Business App and also on your unique QR code. Now, fill in your PIN code and your city and state will be populated automatically. Provide additional business details like the shop name. Please fill in all required fields marked with a red asterisk correctly. Verify all information before submission. Step 4. Make a secure payment. You will now proceed to payment. You have 2 payment options: MissCallPay's ultra-secure UPI Over Voice feature and scan, QR and pay. To proceed further with MissCallPay's ultra-secure UPI Over Voice payment option, select your preferred IVR language: English, Hindi or Bengali. Choose your bank and select the account to debit. You will now receive a call from +91 80690 9999. Follow the instructions and enter your UPI PIN securely using your phone keypad. No internet or app is required for MissCallPay's ultra-secure UPI Over Voice payment process. To proceed with scan and pay, use any UPI app on your smartphone to scan the QR code displayed on the screen and complete the payment. Once the payment is successful, voila! A confirmation banner will appear simultaneously, and you will also receive a WhatsApp message of payment confirmation and your plan details. Step 5. Receive confirmation and activation code. Immediately after payment, a confirmation screen will display your unique activation code. You will also receive this code on WhatsApp. Tap the Download MissCallPay Business App button to be redirected to the Google Play Store. Step 6. Download and install the app. Tap Install to download the MissCallPay Business App. Once installation is complete, open the app. Step 7. Register and log into the app. Enter your registered mobile number and tap Next. Enter the OTP sent to your phone to verify your account. The app will autofill your activation code. If not, enter it manually. Then tap Verify. Complete any remaining personal and business details as prompted. Double-check all information before proceeding. Step 8. Device binding and security confirmation. Your account will now be bound securely to your device. You will be shown your unique TID and DID. Step 9. Final review and submission. Review the summary of your registration details, including your selected plan and the assigned TID and DID. Once you confirm everything is correct, tap Final Submit. A success banner will appear, confirming your registration. Step 10. Start using MCP Point features. You now have access to powerful MCP Point features, such as assisted UPI ID and QR code creation for your customers, facilitating UPI fund transfers via the recipient's bank details, UPI number, or QR code, assisting with bill payments through UPI. The app's dashboard is user-friendly and intuitive, ensuring you can navigate the premium MCP Point features with ease. If you face any issues, tap the Help or Support button in the app. You can also contact MCP Point support through the provided phone and WhatsApp numbers. Our committed support team is ready to assist you every step of the way. Thank you for joining MCP Point. By registering, you become a key player in bringing safe, reliable, and accessible digital payments to the next billion. Together, let's empower India's next billion UPI users with MissCallPay.